Alright guys, it looks like she made it unscathed. It looks like the only people I really had to worry about was the other construction workers or people who parked in front of me, not homeless people or thieves or vandalizers. So, huge blessing there. Looks like we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and drive home. My Camry is at the home now. My mom dropped it off. But they didn't find a problem. I guess it wasn't the catalytic converter, or he thought it was another thing, but he didn't have a machine to test it. So I don't know if I should drive it tomorrow or not, because I really don't want to get stranded again just to not drive this car. I don't know. We'll see. But today was good. I didn't get anything ruined on this car. Yeah, I'm really excited about that. I didn't really stress about it because the rest of the day was stressful enough. All right, I'm a hot mess right now. Don't judge me. Anyways, got the car back right here. Couldn't find anything, like I was trying to say, if you heard that. Didn't find anything wrong with it. One possible problem, but our other friend that has a tool to check it is out of town, so won't be able to check to see if there's an actual problem. Obviously there's a problem, but can't wait to confirm the problem until like next week. So I think I'm gonna have to take the Corvette tomorrow and Friday as well, which is sad, but nothing happened, so that was good. That makes me feel a little bit better. Just got to get my lunchbox, and I guess I can leave all the stuff in the back now, which includes the hard hat, safety vest. I don't know, is that a piece of trash? I think that's it. So yeah, not much really happened at work today. Hung a light, moved some material. But one thing that was really cool that I didn't get a video of was the simple like wire reels. They are freaking amazing. So also had the normal traditional wooden rolls. So you just have your roll of wire on a wooden roll, which is always like, if you're doing like any kind of wire pull, it's going to be heavy. So when you're doing a wooden roll, it's always like really hard to turn, even if it's not that heavy. But the simple, I don't know if, I think it's Southwire. It's a simple wire roll. It's like made out of plastic. It's got like plastic wheels, and then it's got like a plastic interior. And then so the roll just kind of sits in there, or it has the roll there. They just put the wire on it. And then it basically just floats there. So when you're pushing it, it always stays stationary. So you're not having to like push the weight of the wire. And the wheels, which are awesome, like this wheel works independently, and then this wheel works independently. So there's two sides of the wire reel, and like this is like an axle and this is the axle. So you can like, you can hold this edge of the wire reel, and you can just turn it 90 degrees like around the corner without even having to do anything. You could like pretty much push it with like one finger. It's amazing, because I did like one of those, and then I had to do like 3 of the wooden rolls, and the wooden rolls are just miserable. So oh my gosh, I wish everything should just be updated to those now, because they're freaking amazing. I'll get a picture in here or something, or like a video clip of somebody else, but so amazing. Anyways, that's it. Stressful day, but everything is good now. Just went to the bank. Nobody cares about that. That's about it for the electrical side of the day. I'll just try to stop vlogging, but that was really fun over the Nika weekend vlog and everything. Just truly a great time being away from work, as always. So yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts. I'll try to get some stuff going tomorrow. I don't know how long I'm going to be material handling. The material handler, there's like one material handler at our job site. There's like 40 people working, so he's always busy. So that's kind of why we're just kind of picking up the slack, moving materials around for the last like 4 days or whatever, 4 or 5 days that I've been at this job site. So it is what it is. Taking it one day at a time. So far so good, but that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. God bless and awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.